There she blows. IX-14.
All right. Mig-29.
Mig-29. She's up there.
Stress vectoring. This will be the maiden. Built it the other day. Sweating ever since. Already doing stuff backwards. Austin?
With the speed sticker.
Made on a MiG-29, flew up, shoot, up there by that white Dodge, if you can see it. There's a gooseneck maybe, way up there. Okay, so past that, we're gonna take an adventure and hopefully find this bird. Yeah.
We found it. She's up there.
Really shit.
What do we got? Huh?
I was gonna say that one's gone. That one's mangled.
That battery is?
I'd say these two are. This one's probably alright, maybe.
Straight nosedive.
Dang.